Teams. Bulk adding members to a team from an existing team. I'm in Teams and I've got two teams, and at the moment I've got some members in this M365 team that I want to add to my SharePoint's permissions test team. First of all, I need to go into the M365 test team and I need to get some information about the SharePoint name. I'm going to just check who's in this team first. So you can see that there is one owner and one guest in this team. So when I add them, I'll be adding two members. Note that this bulk membership add is particularly helpful if you've got lots of members in a pre-existing team. In the general channel, I go to Files and then Open in SharePoint. This will open up the team site in the web browser. And from here, I need to copy in the URL of the SharePoint site up until /shared. So I'm going to go to Control Copy, and then I've got an Excel spreadsheet that I've downloaded that has some information that I'll need. So I'm going to paste in that site URL, and then the last bit of that site URL is my SharePoint team name. So I'll copy that in there. The email for the team is going to be the SharePoint team name, and then it's going to be @schools.saedu.onmicrosoft.com. If you are in a different tenancy, this will be different. Just going to add some notes so I remember what this team's about. So for example, I might be creating a new team for a new year and archiving an old team. And then I'll get the team name. So I can find this back in Teams. It's M365 space test space team. So I'll just type that in there. Once I've got this information, the information I need to bulk add members is the SharePoint team name. So I just click in here and highlight it all and copy this. And then I can go back into Teams. And now I'm in that team where I want to bulk add the members. Go to the three dots and manage team and click on add member. And here I'm going to paste in that SharePoint team name. And you can see it's got the right team name that's popped up. And now I can click on add. It's going to tell me how many members it's added, and because I'm already a member of the team, it's just added one. So I can see here it's added that second person. Again, this is particularly helpful if you've got lots of members of a team that you need to add to a new team and you don't want to add them in individually. You can add members from multiple teams in this way.